During the early 1900s, James Lee Hicks emigrated from Shannon, Ireland, settling in San Francisco, California. Working from a storefront shop located on Howard Street, he began producing a single-cylinder, four-stroke gasoline engine. With the introduction of the Hicks engine, fishermen were able to travel further out to sea, greatly increasing their catch. For the next 25 years, the Hicks engine would power most of the small commercial fishing boats on the Pacific coast. Nostalgia Engineering now offers a highly detailed model of this historic engine. The scale is 2 inches to 1 foot. The model measures 9 inches in length with a height of 7 inches. The flywheel measures 4 inches. Anyone who appreciates functional machinery will be fascinated by the motion of the exposed parts. Everywhere you look, the operating details engineered into this model exemplify its quality and precision. Each engine is hand-built and assembled. The cylinder base and flywheel are cast in a space-age polymer, while metal parts are cast in a zinc-cadmium metal alloy. Animation is provided by a self-contained DC motor. Every model also includes a large oil can, a small priming can, and large wrench. The magneto, scale battery coil, and ignition switch are also included. Each engine is numbered and comes with operating instructions and a certificate of ownership. Only a limited number of these beautiful and historic models will be produced. Each engine is completely finished, painted, ready to run, and comes mounted on a beautiful oak base with a clear acrylic dust cover. Whether you appreciate the ultimate in realism in a fishing boat model or value it as a truly spectacular display model, Nostalgia Engineering's Hicks model engine is a must for anyone interested in marine memorabilia.